Hello and welcome. I'm thrilled to introduce you to a product that's sure to impress. Let's talk design. Sleek, modern, and crafted to stand out in any setting. Value is key, and this product delivers. You're getting exceptional quality at a price that's refreshingly reasonable. Its versatility is unmatched. It fits seamlessly into your home, office, or as a thoughtful gift. Stylish, functional, and reliable. For more details, check the description below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more standout finds. Thanks for watching.